The history of the Parish of the Lord's Annunciation. We journey through a story of faith, perseverance, and community. A story that spans 3 decades and continues to inspire generations. This is the story of the Parish of the Lord's Annunciation. Before the parish came into existence, the communities of San Vicente, San Miguel, Nueva Victoria, Divisoria, and the sitios of Mabalukok and Dayat were under the pastoral care of the Santa Monica Parish in Mexico, Pampanga. As these communities grew, so did their spiritual needs. Recognizing this growing need, Reverend Monsignor Antonio Bustos, then parish priest of Santa Monica Parish, began working with local officials and pastoral leaders to establish a separate parish, one that could more closely serve the faithful. And the dream soon began to take shape. In 1995, the Commission on Establishments of New Parishes of the Archdiocese of San Fernando, headed by Reverend Monsignor Pax Lansang, conducted consultations and studies. These efforts eventually led to the recommendation for a new parish. Then came a historic day. On July 13, 1996, Most Reverend 𝗍𝗵𝗄 𝗍𝗍 formally established the Parish of the Lord's Annunciation, with its parish seat in Barangay San Vicente, Mexico, Pampanga. Appointed as its first parish priest was Reverend Father Lyndon B. Valenton. The newly established parish began humbly. Its first church was a modest structure in the heart of San Vicente. Though simple in appearance, it quickly became a vibrant center of worship and community life. Then, a significant blessing soon followed. Through the generosity of the late 𝗧𝗵𝗲 the parish acquired a 2-hectare property in San Vicente, a gift that would pave the way for a larger and more permanent church. By 1998, construction of the new church had begun. Parish organizations, clergy, local officials, benefactors, and countless parishioners united their efforts, contributing their time, talents, and resources. Under the leadership of Father Valenton, the dream steadily became reality. Comes April 1999, the dream stood complete, a new spiritual home for the growing parish community. But the growth of the parish was not limited to buildings alone. During Father Valenton's administration, the Cubo per Barrio project was established, strengthening connections among various communities of the parish. It was also during this period that work on the parish retablo began, laying the foundation for one of the church's most remarkable features. A new chapter unfolded in November 2001, when Reverend Father Joseph G. Hernandez became the parish priest. During his administration, the church ceiling and fence was completed, while parish participation in liturgical celebrations continued to flourish. Then, in October 2007, Reverend Father Eli G. Dizon Jr. assumed the leadership of the parish. Another milestone has arrived. In January 2008, when the barangays of Sabanilla and Masamat, together with the Lakeshore subdivision, were officially incorporated into the parish territory. The development of the retablo continued, and in the same year, the parish official hymn was composed, giving the community a song that would echo its faith and identity. Father Dizon served until 2013, after which Reverend Father Laudimir Ezekiel H. Maune briefly served from May to November of that year. Reverend Father Kenneth D. Alde was then appointed as the new parish priest. He continued the parish development programs and pastoral initiatives. During his administration, the parish comfort room was constructed, another practical improvement that served the needs of the parishioners. In 2015, leadership passed to Reverend Father 𝗍𝗵𝗲 𝗍𝗵𝗲 II. During his administration, the development of the retablo continued, and on the 9th of April 2015, the parish celebrated the solemn dedication of the church and the altar, marking another significant moment in its spiritual journey. The parish continued to expand. In 2016, Fiesta Communities Mexico was officially incorporated into the parish territory, reflecting both the growth of the community and the expanding pastoral reach of the parish. Then came 2019, when Reverend Father 𝗍𝗵𝗲 assumed leadership. During his administration, the parish comfort room underwent renovation, and on the celebration of the 75th anniversary of the Archdiocese of San Fernando, Pampanga, another historic milestone was achieved, when the parish was granted a Porta Sancta, also known as the Holy Door. Soon after, Beverly Place was also added to the parish territory, extending the parish mission and service to even more faithful communities. Today, the Parish of the Lord's Annunciation serves numerous communities through its chapels and pastoral centers in barangays San Vicente, San Miguel, Divisoria, Nueva Victoria, Sabanilla, Masamat, Sitio Mabalukok, Sitio Dayat, Lakeshore Community, Fiesta Communities Mexico, and Beverly Place. And the story continues. In 2025, the parish entered a new chapter with the appointment of Reverend Father Paul T. Velasco as its new parish priest. Today, he carries forward the mission entrusted to the parish, guiding the faithful in worship, evangelization, and service. 30 years after its establishment, the Parish of the Lord's Annunciation stands as a living testament to faith, dedication, sacrifice, and unity. From a humble beginning to a thriving parish community, its story reminds us that when people come together in faith, great things become possible. As the parish celebrates its 30th anniversary, it looks to the future with hope and gratitude, inspired by the Blessed Virgin Mary's faithful Fiat at the Annunciation, and committed to bringing Christ ever closer to every community it serves.